Hey, it's Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. Also have our newest employee. This is Lily, and today we're not talking about dogs. We are talking about gourmet kitchen tech for holiday entertaining. As the holiday season approaches, homeowners and hosts alike turn their attention towards the heart of the home, the kitchen. Beyond the traditional holiday trimmings and the festive decor, there's a growing trend in integrating cutting-edge technology to create a culinary haven. In this post, or in this video, I should say, we'll expose four indispensable gourmet kitchen tech updates that not only promise to revolutionize your holiday entertaining, but can also add significant value to your home. First up is the AI oven. An AI oven takes cooking to a whole new level by using artificial intelligence to understand your preferences and adapt its cooking methods accordingly. These ovens come, or I should say, often come with built-in sensors and cameras that monitor the cooking process, making real-time adjustments to the temperature and cooking time. Over time, the oven learns from your choices, ensuring consistent and delicious results every time you use it. Snatch one of these up now so it's ready to be your culinary teammate by the time the holidays are in full swing. Man, if only they made that in a grill. The AI oven not only simplifies holiday cooking, but positions the kitchen as a space where innovation and efficiency coexist. For homeowners, the AI oven represents a forward-thinking investment that can significantly enhance the appeal and value of their home in a competitive real estate market. Next up, we have the smart faucet. This adds both style and functionality to your kitchen. These faucets are equipped with sensors or touch-sensitive controls, allowing you to easily adjust water flow and temperature with the wave of a hand or a simple touch. Some models even integrate voice control for a hands-free experience. Beyond the convenience, smart faucets often come with water-saving features, contributing to environmental sustainability. For homeowners, the allure lies not only with the ease of use, but also the potential energy and water savings, enhancing the kitchen's efficiency and desirability to the eyes of potential buyers. Next up, the smart refrigerator. This is more than just a cold storage unit. This is a digital assistant for your kitchen. Equipped with cameras and sensors, these refrigerators can keep track of your inventory, suggest recipes based on available ingredients, and even allow you to peek inside via a mobile app or a knock-to-see door. Some models come with touchscreen displays for added convenience. This technology not only streamlines your holiday meal planning, but also enhances the overall organization of your kitchen. For homeowners, a smart refrigerator contributes to a more efficient and modern lifestyle, showcasing the kitchen as the heart of the home designed for contemporary living and consequently boosting its attractiveness and potential resale value. Next up, precision cooker. The precision cooker, often associated with the sous vide cooking, works by maintaining a consistent water temperature to cook food to perfection. This gadget ensures precise control over the cooking process, allowing you to achieve the exact level of doneness you desire. Simply seal your ingredients in a vacuum sealed bag, immerse them in a water bath, and let the precision cooker do the rest. This method guarantees evenly cooked dishes, whether it's a tender steak, delicate fish, or crisp veggies. One of the standout advantages during the holidays of the stress-free nature of using a precision cooker. With precise temperature control and minimum hands-on involvement, you can focus on other aspects of your holiday prep while the precision cooker works its magic. This is particularly beneficial when juggling multiple dishes in a bustling kitchen. For homeowners, this gadget will likely take with you when you move, but don't underestimate its day-to-day significance. It's not just for the holidays, it's a year-round ticket to consistently impeccable meals, elevating your everyday cooking experience with precision and ease. So upgrade your kitchen for the holidays and elevate your life. When you embrace the gourmet kitchen tech upgrades, it'll introduce a new era of efficiency and innovation to holiday entertaining. Investing in these cutting-edge kitchen technologies promises a seamless blend of tradition and modernity, hard for me to say that, positioning the kitchen as the hub of both culinary artistry and contemporary living. As you prepare for the holiday season, consider these upgrades not just tools for festivities, but also lasting enhancements that can elevate your daily life with convenience, style, and unparalleled culinary precision, as well as boosting the resale value of your home. Happy Thanksgiving and happy holiday season to everybody. Again, Sean Reddy, Keller Williams Reddy Group. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you do like this sort of content. Hit that notification bell too, because we're going to bring it to you multiple times per week. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.